Master D, and today we're going to be covering some different integrated aspects that come from Shaolin Kung Fu. And today, working with me will be my assistant instructor, Sifu Lau, and he'll be demonstrating the Kung Fu way of how we would block a overhead or a side strike type of initiation. So first thing we'll do is I'm going to strike Sifu Lau with a side strike as they would counter the strike in the Shaolin system of Kung Fu. Beautiful. Very nice. So basically, Sifu, this particular technique would be called what in the Mandarin or the Cantonese language? But what are we actually doing here?
Basically, this you're protecting you all around your body. This all the way to the back and straight to the cut, straight to the neck area. Yes. That's what my people talk.
I see. So you mentioned also in the back, if you could turn this way. So if I were striking you, let's say you were striking this way, and you covered your back area. So if I came from the rear, I see, this would cover your back area from any assailant or opponent that would be attacking you from the rear, and still counter the individual that might be in front of you as well. Interesting. So in Chinese, that type of movement, what is that based on?
It's based on, mainly it's going for the battle, and somebody, people try to cut you or stab you all different directions. So you better be ready to attack all your surroundings. This round right here, this is your space. Anything coming in, you got to block or the front. So you got to be all this area. This is your comfort zone right here. Once people come in here, you're in danger. So this block is very important. Or you can cut this way, so blocking this way, or blocking this way, cut this way, or cut this way.
Makes a lot of sense. Well, thank you, Sifu. So you can see that even in the Shaolin Kung Fu, the movements are very similar. A lot of times escrimadors or conquistadors get into these dissertations about which system is more effective than the other system. However, they all have similar universal principles and concepts that involve universal movement. And so what I'll do now is demonstrate how we would counter that same strike within the Cabales Serrada system of Escrima. So you'll come over head or to the side with your sword or weapon, bringing the weapon. You see, in Serrada Escrima, we'll drop the weight, center our circumference down to the ground. We gravitate to the bottom. And basically, we're trying to cut the power of the strike off by using the left hand as what we call an alive hand or a trap hand, so that we nullify and help the weapon to be able to accomplish its mission. From there, we'll go right into the cut down the body, same type of strike, and basically, if necessary, we'll repeat the cut on the other side. So, breaking that strike down again, as Sifu Lau mentioned in his particular counter block, he blocked the rear of an assailant that might